Microsoft released the Windows 11, that is the new OS which is going to be used. And for you to be installing Windows 11 on your system should be equipped with a TPM or should be having a lot of requirements, where I made a video about requirements considered for you to install Windows 11 onto your PC. But however, in this video, I want to show you what a TPM is. To describe this stuff very well, I had a lot of ways to describe it. But while running through the internet, I found out someone who described it the way exactly the way I wanted to describe it. And so this guy is called Christian. Don't forget to follow his channel, guys. So what exactly TPM, Mr. Christian?
TPM stands for Trusted Platform Module, and it is a special cryptographic processor that can be either added as a separate module you can plug onto your motherboards, or it is also built into the CPU.
As you can see, it comes whether it is incorporated into your motherboard or you can purchase it. So if whenever you check, you can check out with your PC and see if whether you're having the TPM or not. So to check out if you're having TPM into your PC, all you need to do is to go to your home, press your home button, and you type in TPM, and then .msc, then you press enter. So as you can see that on my PC, TPM isn't enabled or it's not compatible. However, that one doesn't guarantee that it's not there. So sometimes it might be installed, but it is just disabled into the BIOS. So you can check out with your BIOS or with your motherboard manufacturer to see how you can check whether how to enable your TPM or not. How does this exactly work, like the TPM thing, and what does it and how does it exactly work? And this is what he had to say about that.
I also don't know all of this deep stuff myself, but let me summarize the topics that I think are the most important ones. So the TPM provides a secure encrypted storage, which is exceptionally difficult to break because it is a separate component and independent of the OS. So it isn't vulnerable to any security bugs in the OS itself or to any software-based attacks. It isn't vulnerable to physical attacks either, because the TPM-enabled devices can tell if the hardware has been added or removed, and they can be configured so they refuse to operate if they detect a manipulation. This is what we call a tamper protection in IT security.
So having a TPM into your PC, it guarantees your PC more security than when it isn't there. As we finish up with this video, I would like to leave with you a question, and this question goes that the fact that Microsoft has managed to incorporate Android emulators into Windows, that is Windows 11. Is this a threat to Android emulator guys, like the guys like talk of the BlueStacks, talk of the Noxy players and MAME emulator, which I usually use? So I believe you guys leave me with that answer, and if you feel out to discuss with me in the comment box, I'll be glad to answer to you as soon as I can. With that, I remain Scott TG. Thanks to Christian and thanks to all of you who have watched this video. I remain Scott TG. God bless you.